Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello Technocrat friends, I'm Vina Devita Amelia with student ID 244-11158. Okay, we will discuss the material about the dynamic environment of management, navigating the contents of pressure and opportunities that define modern organizational success. Effective management demands continuous awareness, adaptability, and strategic foresight to thrive amidst internal and external turbulence. Understanding the internal environment, strength and weakness. A crucial first step in strategic planning is a clear assessment of internal capabilities and limitation. Strength, competitive advantage, internal characteristics that give the organization an edge. Proprietary technology or intellectual property, highly skilled and motivated workforce, strong financial reserves and brand reputation. Weakness, areas for improvement, internal limitation that hinder strategic execution, outdated infrastructure or process, lack of diversity in product lines or skill, high employee turnover or poor morale. Analyzing the internal macro environment. Causal factor. The macro environment present uncontrollable force that set the operating contents and strategic choice of an organization. Political, government stability, trade regulation, tax policy, and environmental, climate change, sustainability, resource scarcity, and pollution control. Legal, employment law, health and safety, legislation, competitive regulation. Economic, interest rates, inflation, exchange rates, and economic growth. Sociological, demographic, cultural trends, customer attitude and lifestyle changes. And technological innovation page, R&D, investment, automation and new system. The competitive landscape. Poster 5, forge in action, understanding industry structure determines potential profitability and guide competitive strategy. Competitive rivalry, threat of new entry barriers. Threat of new entry barriers, scale and capital requirement. Bargaining power of buyers, buyer concentration and price sensitivity. Bargaining power of supplier concentration and input uniqueness. Threat of substitutes, alternative product and switching costs. The model refers if the industry is attractive, high potential for profit, or unattractive, low potential. Management used this analysis to find defensible niches and areas of differentiation. First often decide the price, calling and the cost floor an organization can sustain. Stakeholders engagement, who matters and why. Organizational success lies on balancing the often conflicting needs and expectations of various stakeholders groups. Internal stakeholders, employees, managers, and owners directly invest in the organization operation. Their needs relates to jobs, compensation, and leadership. External stakeholders, customers, suppliers, and competitors, government, and the community. Their influence ranges from purchasing power to regulatory, compliance, and social designs to oppress. The power interests guard a key management tool used to classify the stakeholders and determine the appropriate strategy for engagement. Manage closely keeps staff keep informed. The role of technology in savvy management decision technological advancements are driving report transformation, requiring managers to adopt system strategy and workforce skill. Automation and AI transforming operational efficiency, data processing, and decision-making speeds across all departments from logistics to customer service. Digital security. The increased dependence on digital infrastructure necessitates robust cybersecurity strategy to protect sensitive data and maintain customer trust. Workforce mobility, enabling remote and hybrid working models, recording new management approaches focus on performance metrics, communication tools, and inclusion. Technology is no longer just a tool. It is a fundamental driver of competitive advantage and organizational structure. Ethical and social responsibilities of modern management. Contemporary organizations are expected to generate value for stakeholders while contributing positively to society and the environment. Philanthropic contribution regards to the community, improving quality of life. Ethical, being moral just and fair reporting stakeholders' right, legal, obeying the law, adherence to governmental regulation. Economic, being profitable, the foundation upon which all other responsibilities rest. Navigating globalization, opportunities and challenges. The interconnected global economy offers vast markets but introduces complexity in operation and cultural management. Opportunities for expansion, access to new, larger consumer market, economic of scale through global sourcing and production, access to special international talents and expertise, diversification of risks across different geographical regions, management challenge, managing cultural difference and communication barriers, dealing with varying potential political stability and regulatory complexity in global supply chain, logistics, and tariff. Intense global competition from established and emerging players. Visual metaphor, managing globalization is like navigating an open sea high rewards but with complex current and unpredictable weather. Adapting to change. Building organizational resilience in a volatile environment. Resilience is the capacity to anticipate, prepare for, respond, and adapt to incremental change and sudden disruption. Anticipate and access protectively monitor the internal and external environment for potential threats, safety and chain failure market shift. Develop flexibility, build agile structures, cross-functional teams, and adaptability of process that can pivot quickly in response to new data. Learn and iterate after a shock or change. Conduct thorough review to ensure lessons are captured and integrated into future strategy and operation. Foster tools. High cultures handle careers better because employees are encouraged to act and communicate issue openly, spending all up response time. Key takeaway: thriving in a complex management environment, effective management today requires a holistic perspective that integrates internal strengths with external reality, strategic awareness, rotationally scan the pestle factor and competitive forge. supporters to maintain strategic alignment, value integration, balance the demands of stakeholders, employees, customer, and the community success in measured beyond just profit. Factor profile invest in technological infrastructure and workforce adaptability to ensure long-term organizational resilience. Seeing globally acts locally, leverage global opportunities while understanding and respecting local culture and regulatory nuances. Okay, thank you. That's all for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.